Hi, my name is Ashley Tejada, and I'm a managing director with Beautycounter, and I'm really excited about sharing with you one of our newer products that just came out a couple of months ago that I have fallen in love with, and I think that you will too. And that is our Instant Eye Makeup Remover. So not only is this like the most beautiful packaging I've ever seen for an eye makeup remover, this product works. So if you've never tried a Beautycounter or you're already a fan of Beautycounter, you need to get this. It is remarkable. So for those who have never heard of Beautycounter and you are checking this video out, real quick, let me just give you a quick overview, and then I'm actually gonna do a little demo on this product because it's amazing. So Beautycounter is a B corporation. We put people, planet, and profits as equal, and we really are on a mission to get safer products into the hands of everyone, and we do that through three different pillars. The first is through education, so we're always educating consumer about harmful ingredients and how to make healthier choices and just kind of what's going on in this beauty space. We have these superior, incredible products that range from skin to body to colors, cosmetics, really anything in between. And then finally, we also are advocating for stronger laws. So we really want, at the end of the day, is this industry to change. We want to make it a cleaner, safer place for everybody. And so we advocate for better laws that protect, at the end of the day, our human health. So that is just a quick overview. I could tell you a lot more if you want to know, so feel free to ping me. But let me show you this product. So it's got this gorgeous top. As you can see, it's quite large. It is basically, it is safe, it's clean. What you're going to do is you're going to shake it. So this quick shake, kind of dual phase formula, it is going to help remove your eye makeup. It can even remove your lip stuff that you might need. It helps with waterproof makeup, and it does this without like mineral oils and silicones, and it really uses the power of actually coconuts and macadamia oils to break down the pigments. So what you're going to do is you're going to shake it, and then I'm going to show you how it works. So let me just show you. I have some really nice little eye makeup on. They're pretty. Yay! I just got back from the movies, and I'm just going to put a little bit into, obviously, like a cotton pad, and then you basically just press it on, right? Very gently, and let it start absorbing and just kind of taking off the product. And then you do this swipe. Look at the difference. One eye, other eye. Whoa! How amazing is that? Oh my goodness, that is awesome. And it's even got some of the shimmers from earlier. So yeah, so you just, it's that simple. And then you can just kind of go underneath my under eye makeup. It is removing my stuff. Like, that is how simple. It feels amazing. It doesn't dry out your eyes. It has been getting just such rave reviews. You will love this product. And it lasts. I'm amazed. Like, I've been having this for a few months already, and I still have so much further to go. So this is a great buy. The product is only $25. A little goes a long way, as you saw, and it is just absolutely remarkable. So big fan. So if you haven't yet, check out Beautycounter. If you want to go to my personal website, if you're coming here, you've never worked with a consultant before, mine is just beautycounter.com/Ashley Tejada. And what's awesome too is we have a 60-day full money, risk-free guarantee, or money back, I should say. And we even include the ship for returning. So it makes it very simple. And what I love too is if you open the packaging, you still can return it. Though trust me, you are going to love this. I've had so many people now stay at my home, visit, try the product out, and they're just so blown away. And I know you will too. So enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for tuning in.